Hello, hello. How is everyone today? How are you doing? It is so nice to be here with you. So for anybody who doesn't know, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire. Now I've hopped on because I have had a delivery today. I'm so excited. We have got some of the new catalogue items. And I've got a whiff box. Oh my word, I'm so excited. Now, I am in my front room today. Normally, I do these live in the office, but if you're not in the UK, then you might not know we've had quite a bit of snow and it is really rather chilly in my office today. So I thought, do you know what? I'm just going to stay in the front room and do it in here. So if you are watching on the page, make sure you give us a follow. If you're watching on the group, say hi. If you find me on YouTube, then do make sure you follow me. Give me a hello, because I love to see where people are watching from. So tell me where you are. So this is the March Whiff Box. Ta-da! There it is. There it is. Very exciting, very exciting. Now, it's quite a heavy whiff box. So I wonder what we're going to have in the whiff box for March. So these are £42. £42 of absolutely fabulous goodness. If I open it up, if I can open it up, let me see if I can. I always need to show you this because it says Scent with Love, and I absolutely adore that. Scent with Love. How super cute. How super cute. So let us have a look. So here is our little leaflet that tells me what's in it or gives me an idea of what's going on. So it says whiff box. Every day is a fresh start. How nice. Every day is a fresh start. And on the back it says a clean home is ever more satisfying when it smells incredible. How true is that? We've filled your March whiff box with spring cleaning essentials bursting with fragrance. Amazing. Banish winter gloom. Well, I need to do that with all the snow that's going on outside. And grime. And leave your home filled with the tidy scent of a fresh start. Oh, how super is that? So let's pick it up again. It is quite heavy, this one. And let me see if I can sort of show you the contents. It's a little bit tricky. Now, what you might have noticed, let me put it on the table, there we go. What you might have noticed on the top, we get a brand new catalogue. So this literally came out 1st of March. So it is brand spanking new, full of Scentsy goodness. So if you get a March whiff box, you get one of these included. So you can see all the new products, all the new fragrances. How awesome is that? So let's dive into the whiff box. So we are going to start off with, we've got one of the all-purpose cleaners. Now, these are amazing. I use this in my kitchen. Now, I bought it when it first came out, which wasn't last season. I think it was the season before. So it's over a year ago it first came out, the all-purpose concentrate, okay? I have still got the same bottle. I'm still using the same bottle and I've still got loads in it from back then. And I use it 2 or 3 times a day in my kitchen, yeah? From this, it's a concentrate. So you can get 6 bottles of concentrate from this, okay? So you get 6 bottles made up. So you literally pour it into another bottle. You can use whatever bottle you like. Pour in a 1/6 of it. Top that up with water and then just use it to clean your kitchen, your bathroom, wherever you want to use it, really. I use it mainly in my kitchen. I've got really high gloss counters, so this works perfectly on that. And it's in Make a Splash, which is a lovely fresh fragrance. It's now let me see if I can remember. I'm pretty sure Make a Splash is melons and apples, so it's really beautiful and fresh. So there we go. We've got the all-purpose cleaner concentrate there. That's the first one, and that is £22. £22 for that. Okay, the next thing we have is, oh, counter clean. Oh, I'm hoping I'm still working because my phone went into low power mode then. So I'm hoping I'm still working. We have got a counter clean. I love counter clean. Counter cleaner is great because when you use it, it leaves like a protective barrier behind so that every time you clean, it's easier and easier and easier. So this is our counter clean. Counter clean is £12. And that's in Daydream Oasis. So this is one of our newer fragrances. Now this I'm pretty sure is a melony fragrance as well. And I think this has got pears with it. But it's a nice fresh fragrance. So there we go. We get a bottle of Counter Clean. We then get, oh my goodness, there's so much in here. We then get the bathroom cleaner. Okay, so we get a bottle of bathroom cleaner. This is also £12. Okay, and this, well, it's more of a foamy cleaner, if that makes sense. So these are more of a spray, but this comes out more like a foam. And it's really good to get on, like if you've got soap scum round the bath and things like that. Gets that off straight away. It's so good. This is in Coastal Sunset. So this is more of a coconutty fragrance, the Coastal Sunset one. So we get a bottle of bathroom cleaner. So, oh, do you want a whiff box? Yes, you can, my lovely. You absolutely can. They are so good, aren't they? So we have got the all-purpose cleaner. We have got Counter Clean. We have got bathroom. And we have got, oh, 8 bar of wax, which is in Pineapple Rose. How awesome is that? Now, Pineapple Rose, that was our scent of the month. I think it was a few months ago now. It is really lush. I love pineapple fragrances. And it has got that hint of rose. Now, a lot of you know I'm not so keen on floral fragrances. And although it has got the rose in there, it's not enough to put me off. That's the best way I can describe it. So you can get that hint of rose, but you really get that lovely hit of pineapple. Gorgeous. So that's Pineapple Rose. So that's in there as well. And as a super cute extra, we get a little Scentsy sponge. So that's what you can use to go along and do all your cleaning with. How super is that? So what an awesome whiff box. So let me see if I can put it in and show you. You've got all-purpose cleaner. You have got bathroom cleaner. You've got Counter Clean. You've got that bar of wax. You've got that super duper little sponge and a Scentsy catalogue for this season. How amazing is that? What a gorgeous box of goodies just there. Absolutely brilliant. If you fancy one of these, they are £42. Pop me a message and I'll get one ordered for you. How exciting. Thank you so much for joining me. As I say, make sure you like this. Follow me if you are on YouTube. It's great to keep connected and then you keep finding out what's going on. Take care, everyone. I hope the snow clears up. Mwah. Bye.